Hi, I'm Sangeeta Gulati and I teach maths, and as a maths teacher, quiz is the most important feature. In quiz, one can of course create a few new quiz or load one from the collection. The different types of problems that can be inserted in a quiz are all applicable and useful. As a maths teacher, I need equations and symbols. That is where we struggle a little. I'm going to share a workaround which is very convenient, and I use for that a platform known as the DOM equation editor. Let me see if I need to insert a problem, say roots of quadratic equation, and now I need to type in the quadratic equation. If I am not an expert with the LaTeX, what I can always do is go to this website known as the DOM equation editor. It's also a Chrome app, and here all the tools that are available are same as any other equation editor. So for x squared, let's type that in, plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Once I have the equation typed in, I select it, copy it, go back to the Edmodo quiz, and I now need to insert that equation here. And the equation will come between math tags, that is, start with the square bracket, math, close the bracket, paste the equation, square bracket, slash, math, close the bracket. So roots of quadratic equation are, and then put in the 3 or 4 possible answers. So let's say we have 1 comma negative 6. I can have 6 comma or negative 1 comma 6, and let's give a third choice as well, say 3 comma 2. Now 1 comma negative 6 happens to be the right answer, so let that stay there. Otherwise you can select and set any other choice as the correct answer. Of course, you can always name your quiz and set the time limit, write a short note. Also tick the checkbox for show results so that students get to see the results. Before we add in another question, one can preview and see how this equation is looking. So right now, we had only one question, and the question is roots of quadratic equation are, and now the quadratic equation comes out exactly the way you would see it as a typed equation. Let me show you one more possible way in which I love to use the quiz feature. Let's load another question, and here when we add the question, I am going to now choose short answer. Now in this question prompt, you see there is a possibility to attach a link or take some information from your library. In this case, I am going to take a file from the library, which is actually a picture, and let's select that and attach to the post. Based on that picture, I have a problem. So the question is to find A union B intersection C using the Venn diagram. So I again go back to the DOM equation editor and type in my next expression that I need to insert. So let's start with typing in A, and now I need the union symbol B and then intersection C. Select, copy, go back to the quiz, math tags, that is in the square bracket write math, paste the equation, square bracket, and then slash math, close the bracket, and we are ready to go. So let's take a look at what the problem now looks like. So when you preview it, you will be able to see both the problems and at the same time the form that you want the equations and mathematical expressions to look like. In this case, if I click on this, I get to see the picture which the student would also preview and then decide what the answer is going to be. So math symbols and math equations are very easy to insert using DOM equation editor, and you are ready to go. Assign the problems and the quiz to the student, get the feedback and plan your lesson. Thank you for watching this screencast.